Welcome to GrumpyMan's Reviews. Today I have the SUDOTACK Professional Desktop USB Microphone for podcasting, YouTube, live streaming, model number ST810. Just want to show you the effort that has gone into creating this packaging. On this side, it's got all the information on there. Okay, let me open it. Got a user manual in there, SUDOTACK. Just some information there if anyone's interested. So it's got a 16mm condenser microphone. That's the core of the microphone. Polo pattern is cardioid. Then 24-bit, it says there at the bottom. Sampling rate. Now I'm no audio nerd, but I have seen different reviews and that's supposed to be good. Instructions there on how to put it together. Quite straightforward actually. It works on Windows and Mac. So next thing you get is a shock mount. It's a complete kit, this. Just open that. But without the boom arm, so it's more easier to move around, so you could use it with your laptop and you can move the actual microphone with you. That's rubberized in there, so should be good for the shocks. They also give you a wind foam. That should filter out the background noise, or if you've got your computer running in the back. USB cable there. That end would go into the PC and that end to the microphone. What's this? That part would go into the stand. The microphone itself, it's got some SUDOTACK branding there. Now when you do place the microphone, make sure you speak into that part, because it's this way, because the microphone is on that side. Because if you talk from the side or the back, it won't pick the audio up as good as it will do from the front, because the actual microphone capsule is in there, made out of good quality. At the bottom, that's where the one part of the USB would go. You've got your pop filter down here, so that's good for your P's and S's, or Peter, pepper, pickle, stuff like that. Down here is, oh, that's quite heavy, that's the base plate for the microphone, so that part would go into there. That would screw in there. I'd put it together now, because then let's put it together. Get the base first. That would screw into there. Just twist it. Once that's in, I've taken that part out, but that is adjustable. So if I wanted to have it up there, I could just push that down, tighten it, or I could have it at the bottom level there. But for now I've taken it off because I'm fitting the shock mount on. That just screws on like so. There you go, the shock mount's on. Let me just twist that. You could of course have it at any angle you want. Fit it back in. It depends how high you want it. For now I'll just keep it about there. It's not too high. All I do is just tighten this bottom bit here. Once that's tightened, you just twist this dial here. That's in securely. That's unsecure. Very simple to use actually. So it depends what angle you want the microphone at. Drop it in. There you go. So as I mentioned at the start of the video, make sure you speak into this part, because that's where the capsule is. One end of the USB cable would go into the microphone, and then one end to your PC or Mac, and then that's it, you're ready. No drivers required. So the audio you're listening to now is from the SUDOTACK ST810. As you can hear, it's nice, clear, crisp audio. For the price, it's definitely worth it. £50 for the full kit. You can't go wrong. Build quality is really good. At the moment I'm using the pop filter only. I'm not using the windshield. If you want to use that, you can use that, that's up to you, but I'm just using the pop filter. So please do let me know in the comment section below what you think of the audio. My friends, as always, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.